Machines at work. Garbage trucks. By Cari Meister. Table of contents. Garbage trucks work. Screech. The garbage truck stops. It is trash day. A side loader loads from the side. A long arm comes out. This is the arm. The driver uses a joystick. It moves the arm to grab the can. Up, up goes the can. This is the joystick. Whoosh, the can tilts. Trash falls. The driver pushes a button. Smoosh, the crusher blade presses down the bags. Watch out, here comes a front loader. It has forks. They lift heavy dumpsters. These are the forks. Beep, beep. Rear loaders collect garbage in the back. Workers put trash in the hopper. This is the hopper. The truck is full. It needs to dump. Where does it go? The landfill. The truck dumps. Vroom. Off it goes. Time to get more trash. Parts of a garbage truck. Hopper. A space in a garbage truck where the garbage is kept until it is dumped. Joystick. A lever used to control the arm. Crusher blade. A heavy metal blade that smashes garbage. The end.